Okay, so now when do you use a fixed price or what we call buy it now listing? Well, number one, when you've done your pre-sale research and your research tells you that this is a fairly common item on eBay. In other words, there's plenty of these around and there's plenty of supply, but maybe even if the item is still in fairly good demand, there's still plenty of suppliers for that item. The second time is when there are a lot of these items on eBay in general. Thirdly, when you're selling a commodity item where the price of that item is fairly well established. You know, there are some items where you can just look on eBay and everyone has the item for pretty much about the same price range. That tells you that that item is a commodity item and people are not competing so much on price. They're competing more on maybe their seller record, their high feedback rating, how well they do customer service. Maybe they're competing based on free shipping, or they're competing based on some other factors. So these are when you want to use a fixed price buy it now listing. So let me give you some tips for correctly listing a buy it now listing. First of all, you want to set your fixed price at just below the pricing of other successfully closed listings that you've researched. This is why pre-sale research is so important. You're going to base a lot of what you do on that particular item on the research that you've done ahead of time. So set your fixed price just below what everybody else is selling that item for. Then, if you believe there's good demand for the item, set the price at about 10% higher than the pricing you've researched, and then add your best offer option to your listing, and that gives people a chance to make an offer lower than your price. And that's a good approach, especially, again, when you see that there is good demand and people may want to bargain with you. Thirdly, do not add the require immediate payment option unless you know the item is in high demand or you're selling a time-sensitive item like concert tickets. For example, there are a lot of people in the Los Angeles area where I live that sell concert tickets. And typically they'll have either a digital version of the concert ticket or they'll have an actual ticket, and they'll say, you must meet me at the venue, and that's where we'll exchange money, or they'll take the PayPal payment right away and then meet you at the venue to deliver the actual tickets. Those are the only few times when you want to use require immediate payment. Often when you use require immediate payment, that's also a depressor of listing purchases. So be aware that when you use that and you're requiring people to pay right away, that typically slows down your sales as well. Now, if you find that the item is in very high demand, you may want to test shorter listing durations, such as 3-day listings, because this allows you to turn your money over much more quickly. If you can accommodate this, offer expedited and or free shipping, and that's just going to give you that little extra edge when competing with other sellers. And then, depending on the item, try listing your item on different start days and different times as well, because commodity items do not have the same rules as higher demand unique items. Oftentimes you can sell these commodity items just about any time of day, just about any day of the week. But what you want to do is, if you have a lot of these, test out when is the best time of day, test out when the best days of the week are to sell that particular item. And then one more thing. When using the best offer feature, don't be insulted by somebody's lowball offer. You know, you're going to get a lot of lowball offers. Let's say you have an item that you want to get $100 for, and then you add the best offer feature. What if you get an offer of $10? Okay, don't be insulted by that. Often these people are just starting out low, and they're just kind of trying to sense where you're going to come back at. So they may really be interested in the item, and they will come up. But if you get insulted by a lowball offer and you just don't respond, or instead you kind of insult them back, then you don't have any shot at a deal. But if instead you send them a counter offer and say, here's what I'm willing to take, sorry, that's too low, and just be very nice about it, you'll be amazed how many people that will come on board and will make a deal with you. You can also, within your listing, set the minimum acceptable offer amounts when you list the item. So that's another little extra help, that if you are not willing to take less than, let's say, $50 for a $100 item, you could set that as, I won't even look at offers below $50, and then if somebody sets that low offer, it'll just automatically decline it for you.